Yeah, what's up, peeps? Thanks for joining me. My name's Dan Warren, and this is Day One Adventures. In today's adventure, we are at Six Flags Great Adventure over in New Jersey, and I just rode on the Flash. My second time. I went season opener, and I went today. It is October 11th, and I'm going to tell you, after riding in the beginning of the season, I was kind of like in the middle, and then when I was in line, I asked somebody, I asked one of the people to work here, I said, which is the best seat? They said, get in the back. I got in the back. This ride is even better now. I'm going to give it a straight 9 out of 9. This ride was amazing, fast. It had the surprises in it. Definitely a go with the Flash. You get here, you get your one shot or you get a pass. Get on the Flash. Don't cut yourself short. Get on the Flash. That is my pick. Today's adventure, I'm just going to walk around the park. It rained a little earlier, so I'll give you a little tip. If you see in the forecast it's going to be a little bit of a rain, not a heavy rain or a thunderstorm, I still say go to the park. We had a little bit of a rain. A lot of people left. The lines are perfect. So I'll probably ride 1 or 2 more roller coasters today. I was looking at a couple of different food options that were available. So time for an adventure. So one of the things that's really good about the Flash is they have little small lockers. They can fit like maybe a fanny pack or something. Like I got my camera bag right here. So you can fit that in there and it's free. So you get that for the ride. They give you a code, you scan the code, it opens up a locker, and then you can put your stuff in there. So you don't have to worry about paying for a locker or anything like that. They don't want you to take anything on there. You get caught with anything, they will take you out of line. So that's no glasses, no hats, no scarves, no nothing. Because it goes fast, it goes upside down, it's pulling a lot of G's. So, you don't want to lose anything, or worse yet, hurt somebody when it goes loose. And there's a couple of rides that do that. So El Toro also has lockers like that. That made it real easy because I didn't have to worry about spending the money for the locker. It's a free locker. Anybody that gets on the ride can use the locker. That's to kind of stop people from trying to carry things on the ride and everything. They give you a card with a barcode on it. You scan the barcode, the locker opens up. You put your stuff in there. It's like the size of maybe like a book or something. So my bag fit right in there nice. Phone, all that stuff. Just put it away. It makes it easy for everybody. You go on the ride, and then when you get off the ride on the other side, you scan the card, you take your stuff out, and you go about your merry way. Nice and easy. The videos and photos, the photo pass, I would even say, right, if you're coming with a couple of people, just get the photo pass. Get the photo pass for the day or for the season, whatever you're going to do. It's a lot of fun and have those memories. So you're waiting in line for the rides, you will have something to remember the ride by. So you don't have to worry about taking your phone and the phone going flying and breaking and all that stuff. So that makes it nice and easy. All right, so I just tried the Dark Knight coaster. It was pretty fun. Definitely better than Skull Mountain. It's like an in the dark one. I used to call it like the Wild Mouse or something like that. So you go around, it's got some drops, pulls a couple of G's on the turn. As far as bags, you have to put your bag over to the side. Ride's pretty fast. This is a Fat Burger. So we're doing the Fat Burger today. You got your fries, and you got a burger. Lettuce, tomato, cheese, mustard. Well, I'm gonna start with my fries. Rub-a-dub-dub, thanks for the grub. There are a lot of different food options at the park. My favorite is Fat Burger and Johnny Rockets. Just to get a cheeseburger, you get the fries with it.
It's a nice size, nice and fresh. I've also like gone to Primo Pizzeria because they have a delicious Caesar salad, a chicken Caesar salad, and they have like the nuggets. They cut the nuggets up and they put it on a salad. So I really like that. But I have a meal plan, so I get 2 meals, 4 hours apart. It doesn't include any of the special foods like what they have for Holiday in the Park or Oktoberfest. It covers the salad and my sandwiches. But there are a lot of different other places. There's Mama's Kitchen, the Country Kitchen, and Yum Yum Cafe, Jersey Grill, Metro Grill. So there's a lot of different food options. And my favorite time to go to the park by far is going in the fall. I love going in the fall. It starts to get dark earlier. The lights of the rides start turning on earlier. There's people walking around. Some people dress up. It's so cool. Like people, it's just one big party, and they do that at all the parks. And then they have a parade right before all the different things open up. So catch the parade. It's nice to watch, and they have a couple of different shows. This year at Six Flags, they do not have Dead Man's Walking Party. So they have the parade. They have a little dance number up on the stage where the parade ends. So that was my adventure at Six Flags. If you have any questions, hit me up in the comments. Hey, thanks for watching this video. It really does mean a lot to me. Could you do me a favor? Hit that subscribe button. It really does help out the channel a lot and get it out to more people. So until next time, remember, take care of each other. Peace out, and I will see you all soon.